Wanna know how to add YouTube links or embed YouTube links in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you're under your site's admin panel. Now, once you're under your site's admin panel, right here you should see post. You can just simply select post or just hit towards pages as well. So this is under your site. So once you've selected any existing post or page, this empty text should appear right here. So you can just simply select it. Now once you've selected this box right here, you should see this plus icon. You can just simply select plus icon, scroll down a little bit and then select YouTube embed right here. So you can select this or just select browse all as well. So once you've selected YouTube embed links, so here you can just simply type in any YouTube URL and then select embed. And once that is done, your title will be linked. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.